Did you know that nearly 16% of adults worldwide suffer from chronic constipation? And for people over 60, that number rises to 33%. If you often feel bloated, sluggish, or uncomfortable, your digestive system might be begging for a little help. But don't worry, nature has the perfect solution. In today's video, we're revealing 10 incredible drinks that can make you poop almost instantly. Some of these might surprise you, and one common drink at the end may actually be making things worse. So stick around to find out. And before we dive in, what's your go-to remedy when you're constipated? Let us know in the comments below. 1. Fennel tea, the natural digestive relaxer. Let's start with fennel tea, a powerful yet gentle remedy for constipation. Fennel seeds contain anethole, a compound that relaxes the muscles in your intestines, allowing waste to pass through more smoothly. Plus, it helps reduce bloating and gas. How to make it: crush 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, steep them in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip away. Drink this before bedtime for the best results. Have you ever tried fennel tea for digestion? Let us know in the comments. 2. Cranberry juice, the gut's best friend. Cranberry juice isn't just for urinary tract health, it's also great for digestion. It contains fiber and natural acids that promote gut health and regularity. But beware, many store-bought versions are loaded with sugar, which can actually cause bloating. Always go for 100% pure cranberry juice or make your own at home. 3. Prune juice, nature's laxative. You've probably heard of prune juice, but do you know why it's so effective? It's packed with sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that pulls water into your intestines, softening stool and making it easier to pass. Just 4 ounces in the morning can do wonders. Want even faster relief? Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your prune juice and let it sit for 10 minutes. This creates a fiber-rich, gut-friendly drink that works like magic. What's your favorite way to eat prunes? Tell us below. 4. Warm lemon water, the morning detox. Next up is warm lemon water, a simple yet effective way to stimulate digestion. The citric acid in lemons helps flush out toxins, improve liver function, and get your bowels moving. How to make it: squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Plus, it's a great way to hydrate your body after a night's sleep. 5. Pear juice, the hidden hero. Not a fan of prunes? Try pear juice. It's packed with sorbitol and pectin, both of which help soften stool and improve digestion. How to make it: blend 2 ripe pears with half a cup of water, strain, and drink. It's delicious and effective. 6. Coffee, the surprising poop starter. Here's a fun fact: 29% of people feel the urge to poop after drinking coffee. That's because coffee stimulates the colon and increases contractions in the intestines. But be careful, too much caffeine can dehydrate you, making constipation worse. If you drink coffee, balance it out with plenty of water. Are you a coffee lover? Tell us in the comments. 7. Coconut water, hydration for digestion. Constipation is often caused by dehydration, and coconut water is one of the best ways to hydrate your body. It contains electrolytes that help keep your intestines lubricated, making bowel movements smoother. Just make sure to choose natural coconut water without added sugars. 8. Apple cider vinegar, balances your gut. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, helps restore gut pH balance and promotes healthy bacteria in your intestines. How to use it: mix 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of warm water and drink it before meals to aid digestion. Just be sure to dilute it, drinking it straight can harm your teeth. 9. Ginger tea, the digestive soother. Ginger tea is famous for reducing bloating and inflammation, but did you know it also stimulates the digestive system? How to make it: grate 1 inch of fresh ginger, steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Have you ever tried ginger tea for digestion? Let us know below. 10. Orange juice, the fiber boost. Last but not least, fresh orange juice. The natural acids, fiber, and vitamin C help stimulate digestion and bowel movements. How to make it: juice 2 to 3 fresh oranges and drink immediately for the best results. The final tip, a common mistake to avoid. Now, here's something you might not expect: dairy can make constipation worse. Many people have trouble digesting lactose, which can lead to bloating and sluggish digestion. If you struggle with constipation, try cutting back on milk and cheese and see if you notice a difference. Have you ever experienced digestive issues after dairy? Share your experience in the comments. So there you have it, 10 drinks that can help you poop almost immediately. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, type YES in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got more amazing health tips coming your way, so hit that notification bell so you never miss out. And if you're still watching, here's a bonus tip: walking for just 10 minutes after drinking any of these can speed up digestion even more. Try it and see the results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.